Today we're going to talk about how you pick a mediator to help you resolve your dispute. Not every mediator is the best selection or the best choice for every dispute. So how do you decide which one is right for you? In Florida, mediators must be certified by the Florida Supreme Court. So you want to make sure that you have a certified mediator if you're in Florida. Not all mediators are lawyers though. And sometimes, depending on the nature of your dispute, you may want to have a mediator who is not a lawyer. That's your personal choice. You may also have preferences based upon the gender and the age of your mediator. The important thing is that you select a mediator that you're comfortable with. So if you're more comfortable with someone who's younger versus someone who's older, or vice versa, that can be a factor. You're also going to want to have a mediator who's familiar with your area of the dispute. If it's an intellectual property case, you want somebody who's familiar with that area. If it's an investment fraud case, you want someone who understands that area. If it's a family law case, you're going to want to have someone who's certified in family law. So you're going to want to have a mediator who's familiar with the law in your area, so that they don't have to spend time getting up to speed on the nature of your dispute. The last thing, if time or money is a factor, and for most people involved in litigation it is, you're going to want to have a mediator who's available. You don't want to hire somebody who doesn't have any time for your mediation for the next 2 or 3 months. If you can have a mediator who's available the following week or in a couple of weeks. If expense is a factor, you're going to want to have a mediator who's affordable. The good thing about mediation is that the costs are generally split between the parties. So expense compared to other expenses of litigation shouldn't be a factor in most mediations.